Oh, great.
Where's up?
Yo.
How are you?
Fine.
Your wife and children?
Everybody fine.
Yeah, good.
Everybody's fine. And you?
Oh, by the grace of God.
Thank God. Thank God.
My head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes.
Osofo, welcome.
My head, thank you. My shoulders.
Efo, please meet Osofo. He's a very powerful man of God. Oh, we are all alive because of him.
Hallelujah.
Hey, Nukuya.
Amen.
Gracious.
Osofo, pleased to meet you.
Oh, God is great. And
I think we met here the last time, eh?
hallelujah. You are.
Efo Abraham is my name.
Oh, Abraham, father of faith. I believe you have faith as strong as the man you were named after.
I think so. And you are...
You know, ever since my calling, I'm known as Osofo Joseph. But in my past life, I used to be called Josephus. Josephus of Arimathea.
I see. And I suppose you are the Osofo of Abiba too, eh?
Hey, Abiba. Oh, God has really blessed that woman through him. In fact, I'm waiting for my turn. I've already started seeing signs already.
Oh, you have not seen anything yet, woman. You are blessed.
Hallelujah.
You are going to see more. By the time God is through with you, may it be done unto you according to your faith.
I receive it.
Makalasa. Aisha.
I receive.
I see. And I suppose you are the Osofo who healed the blind man near Abiba's shop recently, eh?
Oh, Raboy. I see you are following my success story. Blessed are those who hear and believe. And by reason of this, I cancel every Thomas attack against your success. You are loosed.
I have been looking for you in connection with Abiba's girl, Sadia.
Sadia. Yes. You know, Efo, I am performing a very great duty on that girl. In fact, that girl is possessed.
And by what means did you arrive at such a unilateral conclusion?
Therefore, never doubt the spirit. My God is able. Even the doubting Thomases and the Pharisees. Therefore, never doubt the spiritual barometer of witchcraft apprehension. Hey, you have no idea.
Police, police. In fact, is your business here not done? Look. Sadia is a witch. And Osofo has proven it.
Nuchukaya. Maud de la, huh? Alo Ajetoa. Is he a prophet or a wizard?
Nothing anamlu. Nothing. Hey! Look, have you seen what
Saboshi?
Sorry. Osofo, bless me. Efo kneel down to escape his wrath.
Efo, Abraham showed that magic couple.
Osofo Ajobro. Osofo Ajobro.
Beren Shaboski.
Sakos. The God that we serve is a caring God. He does not instigate, abuse, or impede.
Do you know what the girl Sadia buried in Abiba's shop? And do you know what Osofo found in Abiba's house?
Open the gate. Open the gate.
Who is there?
It is I, Josephus.
Who is Josephus?
Josephus, Osofo.
Osofo Joseph.
Yes. Open thou the gate, for thy salvation cometh.
But what are you doing here at this hour?
Hey, it can never be tomorrow.
Osofo, please, let's make it tomorrow, okay?
Oh, tomorrow may never come.
Huh?
The man you love has been wrapped with a cloth and buried.
Osofo! What are you saying?
Hey! We need near Fisroba. And Kawin said that the Echenkwa, you tisuni ever turned at the sink. Open the gate! Hey!
Come in.
Hey, Hashu, Hale. Fear not, woman. For these are the spears of the Lord. He says our weapons are not carnal, but mighty through the speakers and shovel. Oh, shh. Oh, shh. Oosh. Ash. Hey, Charlie Bay. Oriata. Scrobodistic acquistis atoms. Hey, human. La he la hia. Say Oriata. Alabata. I have been risen to undertake an execution in this house.
Execution?
Yes. I mean an excavation.
What's an excavation?
I need to exhume your finances. I mean your fiance. Your fee. He has been buried in the ground.
Osofo!
Yes.
Is your feet dead?
No, woman. He is not, be still. But his need for love has been buried. And I have been sent by the Almighty One to bring you your salvation this day. Oh, Laha.
Osofo, please. Let's do something right now.
Hey, Lashia. It is no other but your girl, Sadia.
Osofo, did you say Sadia?
She is marrying both of you.
Subhanallah.
Oosh. And he has buried you in the ground.
Huh?
And that is why I am here. You shall be delivered. You have been buried right here. Yes. But today your deliverance cometh. Whoosh. My head, my shoulders. My head, my shoulders. My head. Hey! Whoosh. Say Astus. Say Oriata.
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 Right here. The spirit is telling me it is here.
Osofo, take it.
You are looking good.
Osofo, what did you say?
I said the Lord is good.
All the time.
Yes, all the time. Yes. Ooh, my head, my shoulders. My head, my shoulders. My head, my shoulders. My head. The spirit does not lie. Oh, be still, woman. Be still. Oh, salvation is come unto you today. The spirit does not lie. Sacramentos!
Osofo.
Eureka! I found it. You have been delivered.
Osofo, that's my cloth.
My head, my shoulder.
What?
Abiba and Yofi's clothes were wrapped in Sadia's cloth.
Bad address and piffle. Hello, cock and bull.
Hey, so if she wasn't the one, how come their things were wrapped in her cloth?
No, Grace, anybody at all could have done that.
Oh, why would someone do that?
That is the question.
No, please. You look, have you taken contract from the devil himself to come and destroy my blessing?
Hey! on your privacy.
Bicycle.
Hey,
But
Shabos.
I'll
Shabos.
further pursue this case.
Are you a police?
Grace.
Look at you have been exposed. Go.
Grace.
Hey.
Oh,
Shash. Hey, Kobe. Hey, Count. Hey, Count.
Look at your bicycle. Eh? Look at you. And your bicycle. You know what? You F.O. You've left the village, but the village has not left you. Look at you. The village
Grace.
is still clinging on you. Come, go, look.
Bonyore.
Look at your trousers. Tell the devil that when you came, you didn't meet me. Oh,
Depart.
oh, God has exposed you.
Depart.
You've taken contracts to destroy Grace. Osofo, I'm so sorry, okay? Osofo, I apologize, okay?
Nice.
Please.
Osh.
Jesus. Jesus.
And who is he?
Oh, Susu collector.
You need to make sure you exodus this kind of people from your life, so that the genesis of your blessings can begin. And by the time you get to judges, you shall be judged as a worthy woman. Hey, mercy, oh Lord. And you give your money to that man. Oh, Shabaha. Woo. Do you make sure you superimpose your money with prayer before you give it to him?
Oh, prayer. We've been dealing with this man for years and we've never had problems with him. He even helped Abiba collect a loan from Unicredit to expand her business. In fact, he's just like a father to us.
That is the problem. That is the problem.
Oh, why?
I pray you be grant this woman spiritual binoculars. Receive.
I receive it.
Laba, hey, Kobe. Just look at all that. The devil is very cunning, woman, like a serpent. Like the fire that lurks under the incinerator. Oh, it burns underneath until.
Why?
You are bent.
Bent?
You are bent badly.
Oh.
Hey, Rabahi. Oosh.
What is it?
I smell sulfur.
I can't smell sulfur. Sulfur.
Hey, the devil is here.
Yes, Ampa. I can smell something. Bibi bon.
That is your problem, woman.
The devil is here. Yes, I can smell it.
That is your problem. You are a very generous woman, and so you allow people to take advantage of you. Hey, Shaba! Jesus! Labaliko!
Jesus!
Hey, Kobe. Kobe. Oh.
Osofo, you are so powerful.
Oh, Sha.
You are so great, Osofo.
Woman.
Yes.
Ra. Where is your husband?
Hey, where's my husband?
Oh, shh.
Hey, Osofo, it's a baby. A baby.
Thank you. I knew you wouldn't let me die of thirst.
You see, I don't care if you die of thirst, hunger, or
love.
I'm not like that with you. Please don't go there. This should be your first and last. Please don't go there. So what's my make out? Meaning won't this happen?
That day go come. That day go come where you go to chase after me. Eh?
But anyway, thank you.
You're welcome.
But Sadia, don't you think if you add some garri and some sugar and some milk,
your effort would have been completed?
In your wildest dream, would you think of something like that?
Oh, Sadia, that is what I always do about you. I dream about you all the time, baby.
Hey,
damn!
I'm so
No, one.
What dream? You're very, very crazy. In fact, you are crazy already. You must be very crazy. In fact, you are crazy.
Dream! Oh, baby! I always dream about you.
I'll tell my madam.
Oh,
I'll tell my madam you're harassing me. I know Tata, Mister.
Me harassing you?
Your hand and nimbi.
Me Tata.
Oh, fear.
You go get me? Eh? You don't go get me safe. You go get me. You know what time it is? Man!
Ifo, please. Today is a very bad day for me.
Sweetheart, let me greet you first.
I know why you are here.
Even if we don't have business, I will still have visited you.
Why would you visit me? Eh? For what?
You know it.
I don't have money.
Okay. Abiba, good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Now, your money.
Huh? Say that again.
I said your money.
I don't have.
Abiba, you know I have a long way ahead of me.
Collecting people's money.
And making them richer. Eh? You know it. And it's in your own interest now. Come.
So, Ifo, when will I get my money?
But you collected some money about 6 months ago.
I still need more.
Okay. Very soon you'll get it.
Efo, where's Olo?
Yo, F1.
My phone. Hey, Efo, please, should I get you some water?
Hey! Sadia.
Madam.
Skills when I'll be display what has to. What's the meaning of what you just did?
Madam, I'm sorry.
Just a word answer say me. Are you trying to tell me that me nim say I hope what me fear was say me mom monsieur?
Madam, I'm sorry.
You didn't give me water.
I will. Ifo, please, I will serve you. Hey? Just up so just what are you saying me and answer there?
Madam, I'm sorry.
To the barrel, shade your bill. Zamaya chang.
Abiba, why do you treat her like that?
She's a witch.
So I've heard.
Who told you?
You're Osofo.
You mean Pastor Joseph told you?
Yes.
So why are you worrying about her then?
Stop that, Abiba. I thought you were more streetwise than that. How can you say she's a witch?
See, witches come in shapes, different shapes and sizes. It be a scallop, it be a oval, it be not that even tells you that she's a witch.
How long has she stayed with you?
3 solid good years. So if
she would have finished eating you up by now.
How?
What I'm saying is that if she was a serious witch, for 3 solid years that she's been staying with you, she would have finished eating you up.
She can't eat me.
And so, what is your problem?
Sadia is destroying my life.
How?
My business. She's destroying my family. My business. Even my marriage. Sadia has a hand in my marriage. Mama, sorry, not size me. Take a critical look at me. Not try me lapses. What it? Size me. Take a critical look at me. And tell me my lapses. Him find me we are faulty. Height are heights. Show me. Body are body. Black beauty. Ghana's most beautiful. So I don't have a husband. And it's by kind courtesy of Sadia. Sadia is the brain behind mine. Sadia. You're telling me that I shouldn't complain. Change the topic.
Abiba, I heard of the gimmicks the Osofo performing.
And you still don't believe. Osofo has promised seeing me later. But now, the problem is, Osofo has told me that Sadia is in love with me spiritually.
Oh, Mao. Look, Osofo's findings is nothing. And look, anybody at all could have planted that in there. You should be glad that someone loves you genuinely.
You're making fun of this, right?
No. It's Abiba. You don't seem to understand. She's a lesbian? How can you believe this? And how can't her life? Isn't it funny? Somehow you people's life has been taken by this phantom evangelist. And especially Grace is even worse.
Please don't spoil things for yourself. Osofo said it and I trust him. Do you know what he did this morning? He healed a blind man. Right in my presence, in front of me. Hey, Osofo, you're powerful.
I see.
You were not there.
Yes, I wasn't there.
So how do you know?
It's the talk of town.
You see? That is why I'm afraid. Of late, I have not been sleeping.
That she will eat you up.
Yes.
Then find 6 padlocks and lock your doors. Lock it firmly.
Let me ask you something.
Yes.
Am I stupid? Mimi Jina wenimi, me Jimmy.
Thank you very much. You are very kind.
You're thirsty.
Yes. You see, your mother has been treating you very badly of late. But take heart, eh? Everything will be all right very soon.
I hear. Thank you very much. Efo, I want you to talk with my madam for me. That Osofo.
Hey! Sadia! Mekena. Saya? Mekena! What's the meaning of what you're doing? Eh? Mekena.
Efo.
So,
Sadia.
Abiba.
Hey! Back Jinko! Who called you here? You want to join efforts with Efo, is that not it? Bargama. Me, I believe my Osofo. I believe him very well. Na sa Sadia and them, they be here.
Cha lo 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 bo 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 bo.